don't think they really want these problems, yeah. Got that stuff required, know that fire, change the process, yeah. No feel with that go, so where I go, I know my guidance, yeah. Just flexing on these diamonds, yeah. We don't come in with the street lights on, no, no. We don't come in with the street lights on, no, no. We don't come in with the street lights on, no, no. We don't come in with the street lights on, no, no.
What is poppin', team? Run it up. So here's the deal. I woke up super late today. I had to just wash off all that dirt from yesterday, so I took a long shower. But I woke up kind of late and took a long shower. Anyways, it is 9:30 right now. So that means we got to catch Costco drop. Like, let's try to get a banger. Start the day off with a banger Costco drop. So right now, yeah, it's the rush to Costco. We made it. Let's get it. We about to swipe a banger, hopefully. Let's get it. Please put it out to the universe. You guys watching this right now, please manifest me swiping a banger right now. Please hit the like. If you hit the like, I'm gonna swipe a 100. So hit the like right now. If you hit the like right now, and I'm swiping a 100. Please hit the like. Let's manifest it. Let's go. It is 9:53. No Costco batches have dropped yet, but they will here shortly. Give this video a like for a banger. Help me manifest the banger. Yeah.
This weather is straight garbage.
I know.
This took a 35 triple.
Really?
Yes, like always, because my rating is still garbage.
Well, you gotta run it up. You already know. I'm out here being an idiot though, because I could have swiped a 50. There was about 2 50s I've seen already. I could have swiped those. I'm just looking for a banger. If I don't see something in here in the next couple minutes, I'm just gonna take something though, just to get the ball rolling for today.
Yeah.
Bella actually is making more money than me right now because she got a 30. What did you say it was?
A 35 triple.
35 triple.
But it's only 36 items.
Okay, there you go. Knock that out. Oh, 71. 71, baby. Let's get it. We got a 71. Y'all seen that live. Let's go. Y'all seen it live. Yo, check it out. It took a little while, but we got a 71. And that wasn't even a Costco batch, actually. That's a health food store batch. Let's go. For those of you that don't know, for the newbies out here, if you have multiple stores in the same city or state, you can actually shop that store at a different store. So for example, if you got a Giants here and then you got a Giants, let's say 20 minutes away, like in this scenario, in the orders for the Giants 20 minutes away, I can actually shop that order at this Giants closer to me and then deliver it to the customer that actually had the order at that Giants 20 minutes away. Now, when you do this, it's a little bit risky because maybe that Giant doesn't have the same items. It should, but it doesn't always work out that way. So you're taking a little bit of a risk. But today, it's worth the risk because it's $70-something and it's raining outside. And I don't feel like driving 20 minutes to the store, then shopping it, then delivering it. I'd rather just shop it at the store right here. I'm on my way to the store. I'm about to go crush it. I'll see y'all in a second. Like the video if you haven't already. Subscribe if you haven't already. Team, run it up. Let's go. Let's get it. Let's go. You already know what it is. We at the store. We about to crush it. This is my boy right here. He's a genius. Hey, 15 seconds of fame. Let's go.
15 seconds, but you're perfect, you don't need no filter. Gorgeous, make them drop dead, you a killer.
Yo, where can they follow you?
You gotta follow me at Derek Co Music. Let's change the world, baby.
Justin Bieber, watch out, bro. Yo, watch out, JB. Easy work. Yo.
Bless you, sir.
Yeah, no problem, brother.
Thanks for thinking about me.
No problem, brother. Hey, gotta bless him up. You know what I'm saying? The real ones, man. See what I'm saying? He's over there on the side of the highway in the rain. I got a $5 cash tip, and it was only because I was meant to give it to him. Let's get it. Yeah, I need to get a Prius. We're back at the store. We're looking for Bella. She's doing the batch right now. Let's find Bella. Wow, I'm looking for a batch too right now though. But Bella is somewhere in here. Let's find her. Peekaboo. Woo. All right, round 2. Round 2. Let's swipe a banger on camera. Oh, that's not a banger, but I'll take that. Yeah. I just got a 37, 39 items, 4 miles or 5 miles, one of the two. I forgot what it said, 4 or 5 miles. Doesn't really matter. I'm gonna go in here and crush that. It's gonna put us over $100. By the way, I finished that batch, that 70. I finished it at 11:20. I finished that batch at 11:20. I just been, you know, fooling around with Bella, got something to eat. I've just been chilling. So now we're about to do a 37, put us over $100, and it's 12 o'clock. Let's get it. Had to jump in a quick Costco. Light work, double. About 15 minutes to finish that. Let's get it. Let's go. Light work. Whew, that one was getting away from me, wasn't it? You were trying to run away, wasn't you? Here we go. Let's get it. We're gonna get both of these boxes. Team one trick. All right, fam, we back. Team Run It Up, we are back. Yo, check this out. The camera died, like, so I don't even know where I left off. I stopped pretty early. Look what y'all did though. Y'all did it for me though. Y'all did it for me because I told you, drop a like at the beginning of the video. So for all of y'all that dropped a like, y'all manifested that automatic swipe, that banger in the morning. So thank you. Thank you guys for helping me manifest that. But let's see what we made today. I've been better. For today, we're at 221. Started the day at 10:05 a.m. and ended the day at 4:30 p.m. Let's get it.